Hello dears, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys all doing great. In this video I'm going to show you that how we can use paragraph align and also with text area tool with Adobe Illustrator. So we are going to click on this type tool and we are going to write. So now we have only one sentence over here, so we want to make a paragraph, so we need to make some copy from this. So we are going to paste this. Okay, let me paste this second line and I'm going to shift and use arrow keys to select all of them, Control C and hit enter, then Control V. So now we made this paragraph. So now we have this paragraph over here. So when I want to align them, so you can click on the paragraph so you can see all the align tool for this paragraph. So if I want to align on the center, you can see this is going to align on the center. When I'm going to put it on the left, this is going to be on the left. So let me bring it over here so you can see. By the left it's going to be by the right it's going to be aligned. So if I click this one, so it's going to justify all the lines. And let me bring this to here. So I'm going to click on the paragraph. So here if I click justify, it's going to justify everything. And if I click this justify with the last line, you can see these lines over here. According to this your paragraph is going to be aligned, but you can see my paragraph is now like a shape. So if I want to scale this, you can see the text is also going to be a scale while I'm using these points to scale my whole text. So let me Control Z. So if you want to scale your text area and you don't want to shrink your text, so you have to go to this type and we have this convert to area. So when you're going to click convert area, suddenly you can see this align tool that we apply is going to show up here. Because when we click on the paragraph for the align left and align center and align right was okay, but when we click on the justify, we see that it didn't happen anything on our text. So if I click now, so you can see the text is going to justify. So if I click this justify with last line, so you can see it's going to justify by the last lines, and also it's going to justify with last line right. So it's going to be used on for our text to justify it by line. Now we are going to click on justify all lines. So if I click, you can see all the lines is going to be justified. So this align for paragraph is really important, because when you're going to design a brochure, or maybe you're going to design a profile, so for that it requires, because there is a lot of text that's going to be used with your design, so you need to know all of these align tool with the paragraph. And we have this bullet. Let me click here and I'm going to align it, and I'm going to align it on the left. So now let me bring this, and also when we convert text area, so now when we are going to scale, you can see the text is not going to shrink. So here if I going to resize this from the right or resize it from any point of the text area, you can see the text is still showing me here. Also I can decrease the size to something like 180. I'm going to put it, so you can see this text is fixed according to, it's not fixed, but it's the text area is not going to shrink, but it's fixed. It's going to be making itself fixed in the text area. So when I'm going to increase from the left, you can see the text is going to be show up here. So text area, when you're going to use paragraph inside your Adobe Illustrator, make sure you convert your whole paragraph to text area, then you can apply more features and things on that. And also let me click on the paragraph so I can show you more things that we have, like this one. We have this left indent, so if you want to add a number, you can see from the left is going to be taking this size, is moving from the left. So if we want to move this from this right, so we are going to click here, so you can see from the right is going to be moved. And also we have this first line left indent, so if we move this, you can see still the paragraph is moving. And also we have this space before paragraph, so if we want to add a space to a paragraph, so this is how we can add. Also we have this space after paragraph, so if we use this, you can see the space after paragraph is going to show up here. So let me show you more options with this area tool that we have over here. So when you convert this text area using this type to convert to text to type area, so here this option is going to show up area type. So I'm going to click at this, and this window is going to open. This area type option is going to open up here. Two things we have here, one is wide and one is high. The wide is used for the rows, and the high is going to use for the columns. We can add rows for our paragraph, and also we can add columns. So when we add a rows, you can see, let me show you. Now I'm going to add 3 for this, and I'm going to add 3 for this. You can see that now we have 3 rows and we have 3 columns over here. So when I'm going to decrease the rows or column, so the number of span here also going to be show up here. So I can actually move this number. You can see this portion, the span that we have over here is going to increase. So what if we add this one also, this number is going to increase along with the rows. Also with the columns is going to be used. If I click this fixed and also fix this one, so when I'm going to move, you can see the fix going to be applied, but I can't change anything, but I can change from this here, but this is going to be fixed 400. You can see when we are changing the rows or columns, so this number is not going to be changed. But if we remove this fix, it's going to be changed. But for the gutter, you can see still we can add the space between these lines that we have over here. So also for the columns, also we can add this gutter, the space between this line by here. And also we have this offset that if you want to add offset for our paragraph, so we can use this one. So let me remove the column and the rows, and now if I want to add the offset to my paragraph, you can see this is my paragraph or text area. Outside that is called offset, so I'm going to use this. So you can see now it's adding an offset to my text. I can increase this number. So also we have this accent if you want to accent your numbers, and also cap high if you want to first baseline you want to do that. And also by minute you can add 6 pixel or 4 pixel. You can increase the number like x white, you can select, or you can decrease the offset. Let me decrease this. You can put it on the inbox height if you want to. So let me decrease the number, so you can use this fixed. You can see this is going to be fixed on the offside, and also legacy. These options or this sorting is going to work for only offset. and we have this align. So if I select this align center, you can see this is going to be on the center of this text area. So if I click this bottom, you can see this is going to be on the bottom. So if I click justify, it's going to justify our text area. So this is the same kind of align for paragraph that we are using it with Adobe Illustrator. So this is the text area option that's really useful, we can use for our paragraph. And also we have text flows. So we have, if you have more text that is going to flow over one another, so you can use this to arrange them by rows, or you can arrange them by columns. But we didn't actually put any text that is flows because it's already justified, it's on the top, so it's already aligned. So if you have a text that's flowing, so you can use this option to control the text flow by column left to right, or if you want to use by rows left to right. So this is how we are using this text area, and it's really important to know in Adobe Illustrator to manage your whole text. We already did tutorial on the text, that how we can use this type tool, type 1 path tool, vertical type tool, and also how we can add a text with a design, with a stroke. We already made a tutorial, a video on that. So hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and you learn something. I mean, if you have any question regarding this text area or paragraph, let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you want to follow our channel, don't forget to press the bell icon, so you're going to be notified about our future videos and uploads. So see you guys until next video.